Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Anna and I'm so excited because I got my Sephora Play monthly subscription box in the mail this week. And what's actually really sad, and I actually didn't know, is that from my previous Sephora monthly subscription box hauls, a lot of people have told me that they actually don't do this box for outside the United States. So like people in Canada, people in Europe, and a few people have said, oh, I wish we had this type of option. I actually didn't know that. I didn't know that this wasn't an international thing. I thought everyone and anyone can sign up for this. So Sephora, or if anyone from Sephora is watching this, get it together. Why is this not international yet? Why can't everyone around the world get this? That's kind of interesting to me, because I know they have Sephora shops everywhere around the world, so it's kind of weird that not everyone can do this monthly subscription box. If you guys are in the United States, you can sign up for this monthly subscription box. And what's really cool about Sephora Play is that you can specialize it to what you're looking for. So if you're someone that's heavy on makeup, you can get makeup items every month. If you're someone that's heavy on skincare like I am, you can get skincare items every month. And again, it varies, right? So some months will be heavy on the skincare, other months will be different. Again, every month you're getting something different. But what I love about Sephora, and I actually did do Ipsy for a while, but I ended up stopping it, is because Sephora does give you a lot of name brand samples, whereas Ipsy was kind of giving me off brands that I never heard of and never knew of, and like maybe every once in a while I got a brand name. But with Sephora, you're always getting a brand name. So let's get into this month's subscription box. So when you first open it up, you get two items in here. So you get a bag with all of your products, as well as this little catalog that gives you, you know, either 20% off, rewards. So that's interesting, because I don't think I've ever gotten anything that's percent off. So this is the first time I'm getting something that's a 20% off card, which I thought, how cool is that? Usually you get a rewards card with them, so this is the first time that I'm seeing a percent off. I've heard that you get percent off cards, but usually that's more kind of around the holidays, which kind of makes sense because we're getting there. We're getting towards like Thanksgiving and Christmas, so that's really cool. And then you get this poster, and it's also kind of like a catalog that tells you all the items you got, their ingredients, instructions on how to use them. So let's get into this month's box. I'm so excited. Honestly, Sephora Play never disappoints. It really doesn't. So this month we have this beautiful royal blue packaging. How cute is this? Actually, what's really kind of sad is that I have had Sephora Play for a while, and they used to do like themed baggies, which were really cool because you could use them as like makeup bags or things like that. And sometimes they were like silk bags and all that. So anyways, they kind of now have these plastic bags, which I get it, but I did enjoy when they had, like, you know, just something different. Like for every month when it was themed, they had like little theme bags. But anyways, whatever, we won't, that the past is the past, this is the future. So let's get right into it. Oh, and right from the top, guys, I don't know if you can see, but right from the top, I'm already seeing something that I love. So this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. How cute is that? So they're mini. And I've actually never tried any type of Tarte foundation. I do have some like eyeshadow palettes from Tarte, but I've never tried foundation. And I do have the Shape Tape, but I've never... Oh, how cute, guys. Tell me that is not cute. This little bottle though, how adorable. I don't know if it's in my shade though. I know, right, because people have so many different skin tones. So I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely kind of more of kind of an orangey foundation. I'm not that orange, so I don't think this will be my match, but I think this is cute. This is cute. I mean, maybe when I have a tan, I can use this. I definitely can't use this now that it's getting colder and, you know, my skin's getting paler. Don't think I can use that now, but that's cool. Okay, the next item we have in here is a Bounce Liquid Wipe Longwear Foundation. Why do I have another foundation? Okay, that's weird. So I've never had that happen before. I've actually never gotten foundations, or I've gotten one, but I've never gotten two before. But I have seen commercials for this and kind of wanted to try it out, so that's interesting. And then when you open it up, here's the foundation right here on this side. So that's interesting. I'm not going to open it up because I don't want to use it right now. But that's interesting. I've never gotten like two foundations in a Sephora Play box. That's new. That's new. Okay, so that's that. All right, let's see. The next item we have. Ooh, The next item I absolutely love. So we got the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Spray. And let me tell you guys, I use this religiously. Oh, I absolutely love this setting spray. A lot of people like to use like powders and translucent powders, but I honestly don't have an issue with like oily or too dry skin. My skin is pretty, you know, it's on the kind of normal, regular side. It's not too oily, it's not too dry. So I don't know, I personally don't need to use like the translucent powder, even though I do have it. I don't really use it that much. Oh, if I can get this out. So I actually like that I have this spray now, because I actually only have a big all-nighter spray. So it's actually really nice that they ended up giving me like this smaller travel size. So I can just put this in my bag like when I'm on the go. I think that's really cool. And that's another reason why I love the Sephora Play subscription box, is that you literally get travel and sample sizes of things. So it's really great because you can legit just put this stuff in your bag when you're traveling, and you know, you don't have to go to Sephora and buy an extra little travel size item. Usually you can get it in your Sephora Play, which I think is so cool, because I get like a lot of mascaras that I take with me when I go away, and then I can toss because I know I'm gonna get another one. What is something else that I take? If they do like lip glosses, the small little lip glosses or lipsticks, I take those with me, use it on vacation, toss it out, you know, things like that. So you're not just having these products sit on your shelves for months or whatever the case is. Like, you know, take them with you while you're traveling, use them up, throw it out, and then, you know, the next month you're gonna get more new items. So I just think that's really cool, is that it really is helpful that they do provide these smaller options. Okay, what's our next item? Okay, so the next item is Makeup Forever. Why do I have another foundation? Why did I get 3? This is my 3rd foundation. This is crazy. What? Why did I get so much foundation? That's really weird. That's really weird. I don't know if everyone, I actually am gonna have to check to see if other people got a lot of foundations this month, because that's weird. I don't know why I got so many foundations this time. Let me see. Oh goodness, yeah, this is even like darker than what the Tarte one was. Yeah, so again, I don't know, it's questionable. I don't know if you guys can see, I kind of swatched it on my hand, but I'm in the light, so the light's washing it out. But this is, they're both definitely more of an orangey tone, and I'm not an orangey tone. So that's interesting. I've never gotten 3 foundations before. That's new. I guess I can take my pick. But it kind of sucks though, because a lot of them, well, yeah, pretty much, well, the 2 that I've tried, because I didn't try one, but the 2 that I did try don't really look like they match. So that really won't work. Ooh, okay, and I ended up getting a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I actually swear by this, to be honest with you guys. If you want an affordable primer that gets the job done, I would highly, highly recommend this. I do have a few smaller sample sizes, but I also have a big size that I use. This is kind of, I believe Smashbox, the primers aren't that expensive. So they're pretty good, decent price compared to like the higher end primers that are in the like 40, 50 or over range. This is pretty affordable and really good and gets the job done, especially the Photo Finish one. I really absolutely love it. And I love how cute this is. I mean, how cute are these small little samples? Like, I know they're samples, but again, they're like, it's cute. It's cute. I like that. Okay. And then the last item that we have in here is Moroccan Oil Body. What is this? Is this like Moroccan oil or Night Body Serum, Firm and Smooth? Okay, so I know this brand does like hair products. I know they have some like shampoos and conditioners and things like that, but I never thought they had like skincare items. So this is interesting. So it says a luxurious overnight body serum to firm and smooth the skin. Okay, this highly concentrated formula helps strengthen and protect the skin against environmental stressors. Guys, okay, I need this in my life, because let me tell you, the last time I went on a cruise, I ended up getting a facial, and basically the person that was giving me the facial was telling me that the only thing that I see in your skin, like in your face, from like being clogged and everything, is pollution. And I didn't even know that was a thing, but apparently that's a thing. Like pollution like not only impacts like, you know, your body, your breathing and all that kind of stuff, like what you're breathing in, that pollution, but apparently it also, you know, plays a toll on your skin, which I never knew that. That is so crazy to me. She was like, your skin looks really, really good. The only thing I see is the pollution. And then she asked me where I was from and where I lived, and I told her New York City, and she was like, well, yep, that explains it. I never knew that was a thing. Apparently that's a thing. And again, I don't go get facials all the time. This was like kind of a one-time thing because I was on a cruise and me and my mom were like, why not? Let's try. They had some percent off or whatever. It was like 50% off on the last night. We were like, why not? Let's go to the spa and get some facials. So when she told me that all she saw in my skin, was just pollution, I was just like, crap. But then I was like, what can I really do about it? But I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really look into items for pollution purposes. So this is actually really cool because it says it helps against environmental stressors. So I'm guessing that's pollution as well. So I think that's really cool. So I'm gonna try this. So I don't know if I showed you guys, but this is the actual serum right here. It's kind of like in this little, you know, like what perfume bottle like samples look like. That's what it's in. So this is really cool. I'm actually really excited to try this because I don't have anything like this. And I love serums. I love anything serums. Serums are really good for you. So that's cool. So I'm going to add this to my skin regimen when I do, you know, when I do my cleanser, my toner, and then I moisturize. I'm going to add this. I'm going to do the serum before I moisturize and see if that helps anything. That should be really cool. That's actually very interesting because I haven't gotten anything like that before. So yeah, I think that's it. Let me see if I hit on all the items in here. That's crazy. The fact that I got 3 foundations in one box, that's really weird. And on here it even shows like the 3 foundations. That's weird. I don't know, maybe did these recently launch? No, because I know the Tarte foundation, the C one, I don't think that launched because I think that line, like the Ocean Sea line, came out a while ago already. I think the Beauty Blender one is new. And the Makeup Forever I also don't think is new. Or maybe they're new formulas. Maybe that's why. I don't know. That's really weird. Oh, and actually, I don't know if I mentioned this to you guys. I think I did in some previous video. But I recently ended up going to Sephora and I ended up picking up the new foundation that Rihanna's line came out with. The Fenty Beauty line. It's the, I think it's called the Hydrating. Yep, it's the Pro Filler Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. So I ended up getting the first round of foundations that she did. It was that mattifying kind of, it was in a glass case. I ended up getting that foundation and I liked it. But I noticed after having it for over a year, just like when it oxidized, it just did not match up to like my neck and my chest area anymore. I don't know why. I also just think I wasn't in the right shade because I didn't think I waited for that foundation to oxidize to see if it matches up. So when I ended up going into Sephora, I was like, okay, I'm on a mission. I need to get a foundation, something that matches up better. I was before that, way back when, using, oh, what is it called? I can't even remember. Some foundation. I don't even remember what it was because that's how long ago it was. But I ended up using some foundation before, which I really didn't like. So I didn't want to go back to that. And then when I was talking to the person in Sephora, they were like, oh, have you tried Rihanna's new foundation? And to be honest, I think I heard about it here and there, but I didn't know when it was releasing, so I wasn't specifically looking for it. She's like, oh, let's try it out. So we ended up trying it out, and guys, I swear by this. I actually have this on right now on my face. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. And I love it. It blends in so nicely, and I don't use her concealer and her bronzer, so I do use different things for concealer and bronzer, which I have on both right now as well, and it blends in so nicely. Like, I use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I use the Hoola bronzer, and guys, it's like, it's flawless. It's so nice, and I absolutely love this. So as I mentioned, my skin is pretty like normal, so it's not too dry, it's not too oily, and I did notice that foundation, the matte one that she had, was kind of drying out my skin, so I didn't like that. So now so when I went into Sephora and they had this hydrating one, I was very interested, and I really liked it when she put it, when the associate at Sephora put it on my face. It just felt so nice. And again, I just had the old foundation from Fenty Beauty for a while, and the oxidation just was not working for me, and it wasn't matching up with my skin tone anymore. So it was just time for something new, and if you guys haven't tried this, I would highly recommend go into Sephora, go get it matched to yourself as much as possible, like as best you can. And I would highly recommend it because I swear by this now. I absolutely love this foundation. This will definitely be my go-to, unless, you know, she comes out with another type of foundation within a year or so, because let me tell you guys, Rihanna is killing it. Fenty Beauty is killing it. I also actually in basically every video use her lip glosses. Guys, I love her lip glosses. Absolutely love them. They are universal, so they look beautiful on all shade ranges and skin tones, and it's just, oh. So the two that I have are in Fenty Glow. So I have Fenty Glow and Fussy. So guys, I would highly recommend this. Fenty Glow is kind of more of like a brownish copper color, and then Fussy is this kind of pinkish, I wouldn't say nude, because, well, yeah, it's kind of like a nude, and they both have like some glossy, sparkly just tone. I love it. I absolutely love Fenty Beauty. I have not tried anything that I don't like. As I did mention, the matte foundation did end up not working out well for me kind of down the line, but I'm hopeful for this hydrating one. I absolutely love it. It matches my skin tone perfectly because I got it matched, and I love the glosses. So yeah, I swear by the Fenty Beauty line. Everything that I've bought so far, I absolutely love. I really want to go out and get her concealer and bronzer as well, just because I think it'll be more of a flawless look. And again, actually right now, this is a pretty flawless look, and I have other brands and stuff that I blended in with the Fenty Beauty foundation, but I just think like her concealer and bronzer are just like, you know, really gonna make it pop and stand out and really be flawless. But yeah, I really like the foundation. I don't know if you guys can tell, because it is like a bit more shinier on my face because it is a hydrating foundation. I actually did not set this with anything, so there is no all-nighter spray on it. There's no translucent powder. This is how it looks naturally, and it gives you that really nice shine, but it's not like a cakey or kind of like, it doesn't look nice shine. Like, it gives you a really nice glow, which is what yeah guys, this is natural, okay? Your girl has no highlighter on. This is just foundation. How cute. Okay, anyways, let me stop. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this month's Sephora haul unboxing. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've used any of these products, if you like them, and yeah, more Sephora Play boxes to come, guys. Bye guys.